Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2023 HRV Elegance. Now of course this is finished in crystal black. As standard on the HRV Elegance, you do get front and rear parking sensors. You also get LED daytime running lights and LED headlights. You also get these brilliant 18-inch alloy wheels as standard as well. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of the design pattern you do get on these alloys. But walking around the rear now, as you'll notice, you do get 4 rear parking sensors. You also get a nice little reversing camera just up top there. In the tailgate area, you have plenty of room in here as well. You've also got 60/40 split flat folding rear seats, and they do fold flat with the boot floor as well. Walking around the car again, of course this is the 1.5 self-charging hybrid as well. Just moving into the back of the car now, you'll notice that you do have the cloth grey interior, and on the outer edge of the rear seat you do have a bit of black accent. You've then got Isofix mounting points across the rear bench. You've got full keyless entry and keyless start, and of course you do also have your automatic electric windows all round. You've got your electric handbrake with brake hold, you've got your hill descent and your drive mode, of which you can use Econ, Sports and Normal. You've then got your CVT gearbox with your 2 charge ports just up here. The right hand side is for your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and you do obviously have your phone charger on the left. You've got climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats, and you've got a 10-inch display in the middle which comes with your satellite navigation. All your various audio sources just there, and of course your Bluetooth hands-free, of which I need a phone connected to be able to show you guys that. Moving over to the steering wheel now, we've got your audio controls on the left with your voice control, track select and volume. The bezel on the left with the return and the home button controls your onboard computer, as you can see just there. On the right hand side we've got your speed limiter, cruise control, lane keep assist and distance control. We've then got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and as you can see you do get a half digital, half analog instrument cluster. Jumping back outside the car now, just showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this HRV, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.